Hello students, now we are going to study modal auxiliaries. Now first we'll see what is meant by modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries verb is a helping verb. Modal auxiliary verb is called a helping verb and is used along with the main verb. Now see here, these are the modal auxiliaries: can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, dare, need, ought to, have to, used to. So these are the modal auxiliaries. Okay, and these modal auxiliaries cannot be used alone. It must be followed by another verb, and it adds some extra meaning to the sentence. Now we'll take some sentence. Neha draws very well. Neha draws very well. This is one sentence. Here, can you see any modal auxiliary? No. Here, helping main verb is draws. This main verb is given, but no modal auxiliary, means no helping verb is not given. Now we'll add helping verb. See here, Neha can draw very well. Now here in this sentence, this can is the modal auxiliary. Okay, when we add this can, means helping verb, but this we can't add alone because it must be followed by another main verb. Okay, and this just now we have studied that this helping verb, it adds some extra meaning to the sentence. Now here in this sentence, it conveys the ability of Neha. Neha can draw very well, means this word can convey the conveys ability of Neha. Got it? It conveys the ability. This is the extra meaning of this sentence. Okay, now next sentence we'll see. We want to play now. Suppose this is the sentence. We want to play now. Now we are going to add this modal auxiliary. May we play now? Now here this may, M-A-Y, may, this is the helping verb. Okay, this when we add this helping verb, it gives some extra meaning to the sentence. Now this may conveys permission over here. Okay, may we play now, it conveys permission. Okay, now one more example we'll see. Visit the doctor soon. Visit the doctor soon. Now we are going to add modal auxiliary here. You should visit the doctor soon. You should visit the doctor soon. Now here in this sentence, should, this should, it is the modal auxiliary. Okay, and it adds meaning to this sentence, extra meaning. Which meaning? Means it conveys advice. You should visit the doctor soon. From this sentence we come to know the advice is given. Okay, means extra meaning. So in this way these are the modal auxiliaries, and due to this modal auxiliary it adds some meaning to the sentence. Okay, got it? So students, now here some sentences are given. Now we are going to underline the modal auxiliaries. Here question is given, pick out the modal auxiliaries and write what they convey in the blanks. take the help of words given below. In the box some words are given. We are going to use those words. Now first is done for you. You should brush your teeth twice a day. Here should is the modal auxiliary and advise, it convey advise. Now we'll see about the second. Second sentence is we ought to follow the rules of the game. Here which is the modal auxiliary? Ought to. Ought to is the modal auxiliary over here. Okay, and it convey what meaning? Obligation. Okay. Third one, may I speak with you please? Here may is the modal auxiliary and it convey permission. Okay. Fourth one, you can play chess. Here can is the modal auxiliary and it convey ability. Fifth, the flight might land early. Here might is the modal auxiliary and it convey possibility. Now sixth sentence, we used to take Rover daily for a walk. Here used to, this is the modal auxiliaries and it convey the past habit. Seventh one, the form must be filled in blue ink. Here must is the modal auxiliary and it convey obligation. Eighth one, I shall wear the pink dress to the party. Here shall is the modal auxiliary and it convey future tense. Now ninth one, I have to be back home by 8. Here have to is the modal auxiliary and it convey obligation. 10th one, the sky will clear by evening. Will is the modal auxiliary and it convey future tense. Okay students, hope you understood this topic, modal auxiliaries.